The International Arrivals Door at JFK is a place for eager faces, but on this day you could be sure that nobody was more excited and relieved than Mohammed Hafar. A reunion almost 2 years in the making, an immigration nightmare finally over.
I can't describe this moment, I'm very excited.
He was forced to leave his teenage daughter Jana behind in, of all places, the Syrian capital, Damascus, while the rest of the family fled to the U.S. to rebuild their lives.
I really am very happy because this moment came to me finally.
Mohammed is an American citizen. He applied for his family to join him in the U.S. The approvals for his children were delayed after President Trump's travel ban took effect, which bars citizens of Syria and some other countries from traveling to the U.S. His son was eventually cleared to come, but Jana's application was put on hold.
The first thought I have was, did I make something wrong? Why did them do this to me?
The embassy gave no explanation.
I told her, I will do whatever is necessary to bring you over.
It wasn't until the elder Hafar sued the government in federal court that Jana's waiver came through.
Her younger brother, who had the interview the same day, he passed, and she didn't. Say, oh, we have to check something out. She is not a risk to national security or public safety. And for some reason, that took them over a year, and they didn't do it until she was a party to litigation.
Advocates say this story is not unique. The process for obtaining a travel ban waiver is still shrouded in unpredictability. Unable to navigate a complex system on their own, families sometimes have to hire attorneys at great expense to file a lawsuit before the waivers are granted.
This is just really sadly, one piece of the puzzle. They're hoping that people will give up, that people will just feel overwhelmed with these delays and just say, forget it. You know what? I'll go somewhere else.
But the State Department says new systems put in place are speeding up a backlog of waiver decisions, saying in a statement, quote, "These changes are relatively recent, but we believe this is representative of the new normal, and that applicants who qualify for a waiver will likely be issued their visa much sooner than possible before the changes." But the Hafar family's attorney says in his experience, the government's pace has slowed significantly in recent months. He estimates it'll take years to clear the backlog.
There was a spike up where they were issuing more visas. They are not issuing more visas now.
With the travel ban saga now behind them, the Hafar family, the whole family, is now settling into life in suburban New Jersey. Jana, now 15, plans to start school in the new year.
Here I have a beautiful, beautiful future in the world.
A future almost lost, if not for the perseverance of one loving dad. Robert Bumstead, Associated Press.